Ever wondered why you almost never see a giraffe sleeping? The answer is a matter of life and death, and it involves a kick so powerful it can kill a lion instantly. Let's dive into the world of these incredible giants. On the African savanna, survival is a constant battle, and no creature embodies this fight quite like the giraffe. We often think of them as gentle, peaceful giants, but in reality, they are masterpieces of evolutionary engineering, built to defy gravity and escape Africa's most dangerous predators. Their entire existence is a story of extreme adaptation, standing up to 6 meters tall. The giraffe is the world's tallest land mammal. That ridiculously long neck, which seems almost impossible, is a biological marvel. Just like you and me, they have only 7 neck vertebrae. The difference? Each one is extraordinarily long and powerfully connected, creating a tower of pure strength. But this incredible height presents a massive problem: blood pressure. Imagine trying to pump blood all the way up a 2-meter-long neck to the brain. Against the constant pull of gravity, it requires immense power. To do this, the giraffe has evolved the strongest heart of any land animal, weighing a staggering 11 kg. But the challenge isn't just getting the blood up, it's managing what happens when they lower their head. When a giraffe bends down to drink, a potential flood of high-pressure blood rushes towards its brain. To prevent instantly passing out, they have a sophisticated system of valves and a unique network of spongy tissue near the brain. This wonder net absorbs the pressure surge, keeping the giraffe conscious and safe. And what about that iconic spotted coat? It's not just for camouflage. It's actually a highly advanced cooling system. Each giraffe's pattern is unique, like a human fingerprint. Beneath those dark patches are complex networks of blood vessels. During the heat of the day, these vessels absorb heat and then release it through a refined mechanism, actively helping this massive animal regulate its body temperature. Their diet is another story of specialization. Giraffes love the leaves of acacia trees, which are packed with nutrients but covered in sharp thorns. To handle this, they have a long, prehensile, blue-black tongue. Stretching nearly half a meter, this tongue is tough enough to strip leaves from thorny branches without getting injured. And its dark color, that's nature's sunscreen, protecting it from getting severely sunburned while it's out all day. Life for a giraffe begins with a shocking jolt. The mother gives birth while standing up, which means the newborn calf starts its life with a terrifying 2-meter drop to the ground. This brutal entrance isn't an accident. It serves a vital purpose. The impact breaks the amniotic sac and shocks the infant's lungs into taking their very first breath. From that moment on, survival demands immediate independence. Within the first hour, a baby giraffe must be on its feet, standing and walking, ready to follow its mother. This rush is absolutely critical. The first few weeks of a calf's life are a true gauntlet. A staggering 50% of young giraffes fall victim to predators, like lions, hyenas, and leopards. They are at their most vulnerable when they are small. But once they reach adulthood, the tables turn dramatically. An adult giraffe is not an easy meal. Their incredible height gives them a huge advantage, allowing them to spot danger from far across the savanna, long before a predator can get close. And, if a predator is foolish enough to corner one, a giraffe's long, elegant legs transform into lethal weapons. A single kick from a giraffe can deliver over 2,000 pounds of force. That's more than enough to crush a lion's skull or shatter its ribs with one blow. Because of this immense power, predators very rarely risk a direct attack on a healthy, full-grown giraffe. It's simply not worth the danger. To maintain this constant state of readiness, giraffes have had to sacrifice one of life's greatest luxuries: deep sleep. They sleep for incredibly short periods, sometimes only for a total of 20 minutes to 2 hours per day, and they often do it standing up, or in a light doze with their eyes half. Lying down is an extremely vulnerable position for a giraffe. It takes precious seconds for them to unfold their immense bodies and get back on their feet to flee. In the wild, those few seconds can mean the difference between life and death. So they nap, but they never truly switch off. Perhaps the most dangerous routine activity for a giraffe is drinking water. They get most of their hydration from the acacia leaves they eat, so they don't need to drink very often. But when they do, it's a moment of maximum vulnerability. To reach the water, they have to splay their long front legs into an awkward, wide stance, lowering their head to the ground. This position makes them slow to react and completely unable to use their deadly kick for defense. Predators know this. Waterholes are prime ambush spots. Every single sip a giraffe takes is a carefully calculated risk. Finally, there's the silent, powerful struggle for dominance among males. This plays out through a ritual called necking. Rival males compete for mating rights by swinging their massive necks at each other, using the heavy weight of their heads like giant biological maces. They slam their heads and necks into the opponent's body with incredible force. While these duels look brutal and clumsy, they rarely end in death. Instead, they establish a clear hierarchy. The winner proves his strength and earns the right to pass on his impressive genes to the next generation. The giraffe is a living paradoxic creature of grace and brute power, of surprising vulnerability and unbelievable resilience. From their superpowered hearts to their deadly kicks, every part of their biology is a testament to survival. They are truly the giants of the savanna, defined by their unique adaptations and their unending commitment to staying alive, one short nap and one powerful heartbeat at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the amazing world of animals. See you in the next one.